Setting the Galaxy S24 SMS notification sound to silent with vibration on allows you to receive discrete message alerts without audible interruptions. Here's how you do it. Start by tapping the home button to return to the home screen. From there, launch the Text Messages app. Once inside, navigate back to Messages. In the Messages list, tap on the profile icon located in the search bar. A pop-up will appear, from which you should select Messages Settings. Next, tap on Notifications. Continue scrolling down until you find Notification Categories. Tap on it. Inside, select Incoming Messages. At the top, you'll see an option to choose Silent. However, if you choose Silent, the vibration will also be turned off. In this case, we want to keep the vibration on, but turn off the sound. So, tap on Sound, scroll down, and select Silent. Then go back to the previous screen and make sure to enable Vibrate. This action will silence the sound, but you'll still receive vibration alerts for incoming messages. That's it. You can now press the back key to return to your messages list or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.